Hello everyone! Today we're going to walk through how to set up and prepare your brand new DJI Mini 4K drone for its very first flight. This is an essential guide for all new pilots and beginners. Downloading the DJI Fly app. You cannot activate or fly the drone without it. Finding the app directly on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store can sometimes be tricky. Therefore, we highly recommend you go to the official DJI website's Download Center or scan the QR code from your user manual to download and install the official app. 2. Charging the batteries. Next, fully charge both the drone batteries and the remote controller, RC. Pause. If you purchased the Fly More combo, remember that the charging hub prioritizes the battery with the highest remaining charge first. 3. Setting up the RC. Now let's set up the remote controller. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots at the bottom of the RC and screw them into place. Then pull out the mobile device holder at the top and mount your phone securely. Finally, use the correct RC cable to connect your mobile device to the controller. Four. Preparing the drone for flight. It's time to prepare the drone for flight. First, gently remove the gimbal protector, the plastic cover around the camera. Next, carefully unfold the drone's arms. The recommended sequence is to unfold the two front arms first. Five. Powering on-off. Turning the drone and controller on correctly is important. Press the power button once quickly, pause, then press and hold for about 2 seconds. Both the drone and the controller use this exact same process to power on and power off. Six. Connecting and activating. Now open the DJI Fly app on your phone. Once the drone and RC are powered on, they should automatically connect. Since this is a new drone, you must follow the on-screen prompts in the app to complete the activation process. You need an internet connection for activation. 7. Packing up, folding. Finally, here's how to properly pack up your drone when you are done flying. When folding the arms back, fold the rear arms first, then fold the front arms. And always remember to replace the gimbal protector to keep your camera safe. That's it! You now know how to set up your DJI Mini 4K for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe for more drone tips and tutorials. See you in the next video!